Hey, this is Brandon Brittingham from the Maryland and Delaware Group of Long and Foster, and I've been in real estate for some time. And one thing I think that we can all agree on, and if you've had to sell your house at any time, is selling your house can be challenging and stressful. You have to have your house show ready all the time. You have to show your house at a minute's notice. You have open houses. You could have your house under contract, make all kinds of moving plans, and then the property falls through, the sales falls through. It can cause a lot of stress. And then right now, some people are reluctant because we're in a pandemic and because of COVID to let people in their house, which we completely understand. So over the years, I've just figured out, and we have built a huge business around simplifying real estate and making the process easy. So what we've done is we have our guaranteed sale program, but we wanted to make it even easier and even faster. So one of the things that we have is literally you can click this link below and you can get an idea of what we would pay you for a guaranteed sale. You can pick your settlement date. There's no showings, no open houses. We can help you find another property. We can settle quick, all cash offer, whatever we need to do to make it flexible for you. So no obligation, no anything. You press the button below and you'll see what you'll get potentially in a guaranteed offer from us. The other thing too is we'll tell you what market value of your house is as well. If you want to go the traditional route to sell your house, it's just another option that we offer. But if you want the convenience of a guaranteed sale, literally click a button to sell your house. That's what we're going to bring to you. We want to offer convenience and a stress-free transaction. And if you want to go the traditional route, we still have our 7-step marketing plan that's helped us sell over 500 plus homes this year. With us, it's all about options. What's the best for you as the consumer, and what is the easiest for you as a consumer? So if you're interested in a guaranteed sale, click the link below or reach out to us about traditionally selling your house. Brandon Brittingham, Maryland, Delaware Group with Long and Foster. Thank you.